Do you remember what you dropped on that toe?
No, but it was heavy.
Yeah.
Because it smashed the toe. It didn't smash the toe, but it made the toenail come off.
Yeah, I can see that. Was that like probably more than 20 years ago, or?
Yeah, it is.
And the nail's grown like that ever since?
Yeah, it hasn't grown that much.
Yeah, when they get like that, they'll grow slowly, but it's still growing.
Yeah.
I was hoping you'd have a good story behind it, like, you know, I was in the Navy and I dropped a missile on it when I was trying to load it.
It'd be okay, but then if you've got somebody from the government, that wouldn't happen.
Well, the rest of your nails look good, they just look long.
Get the right tool there for that. I don't have a tool like that at home, otherwise I could do it myself.
Well, that's an option. I mean, you can get one of these. Some people do, but
Okay.
other people would just rather come in and
Yeah.
it's one less thing for you to have to worry about health-wise.
Right. Cut the toe off would be my story.
Well, that I can fix too.
See, those dead there was on the last one there, big on this, the right side there, the toe.
Yep, I mean, it comes off in chunks,
Yeah.
but all nails are dead stuff.
Yeah.
We got the squeaky clippers again. Alright, so those should feel a lot better.
I'd be able to get my stockings out without catching them with stockings all the time too.
Exactly. And your wife can stop nagging you about coming in. She's been telling me for a couple years she's been trying to get you in.
Was that right?
Yeah. No, she didn't say she was a nag.
Let's get to the point where it needs to be cut, I know that.
Yeah.
I'm here to tell you about Rest More. It's an all-natural sleep formula, and unlike Ambien or Z-Quil that just knock you out, Rest More is non-narcotic and it helps you fall asleep with a unique blend of vitamins, herbs, and minerals. If healthy, restful sleep is important to you, I recommend Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.